Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Della Angelica. I'm from Sriwijaya University from the Faculty of Teacher Training and Education in major of English Education. So in this video, I want to practice some exercises. Let me start with the Unit 12, beginning and final consonants, joining final consonants. Exercise 1, aspiration. A. 1. Political parties. 2. Apply for the position. 3. Support the president. 4. Return the ticket. 5. Take your time. 6. Tell the truth. 7. Compact cars. 8. Crowded classes. 9. A quiet campus. And exercise 3, joining consonants. 1A, like Coke. 1B, like Coke. 2A, white towel. 2B, white owl. 3A, big gape. 3B, big gape. 4A, both sides. 4B, both eyes. 5A, nice size. 5B, nice eyes. And I want to continue to the Unit 14, TH sounds, think and test. Exercise 1, phrases with TH sounds. 1. 33,000. 2. Those theaters. 3. Threatening weather. 4. Birth and death. 5. Let's do something together. 6. Mother and father. 7. The 5th month. 8. It's worth $1,000. 9. My 20th birthday. 10. A thoughtful author. The last one is in the Unit 15. Exercise 2. Listen for differences. 1A, bury. 1B, fairy. 1C, weary. 2A, pet. 2B, fat. 2C, wet. 3A, pine. 3B, fine. 3C, wine. 4A, bite. 4B, fight. 4C, white. 5A, pal. 5B, fail. 5C, well. 6A, a board. 6B, a fort. 6C, a word. So I think that's all about my exercise practices. Thank you for listening and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.